Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 5 Series E60 E61 and you're trying to find where your water pump is located guys. Now we'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine, N52, N53, N51 engine guys. But if you have other engines, the video may be helpful as well, and we're going to explain what to look for. Now, before we start guys, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMW, we make even more than that. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. If you need to buy a new water pump, a BMW certified coolant, anything like that, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. Also, we have another channel, that's our main channel, it's called Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 69 million people. Very good content guys, check it out. It will save you quite a bit of money. Please subscribe as well. Now, this is the N52 engine. It can be found in multiple BMWs, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, even in Europe on the 7 Series guys. BMW is one of the most popular engines. So the BMW's 6 Series, 5 Series E60 E61 guys here in the US, most of them come with that engine, the majority of them. Before that engine, you used to have the M54 engine. On the M54, you used to have the water pump was driven by the serpentine belt. So it was pretty simple. You used to have the pump right here, it was driven by the serpentine belt, so if you have an earlier version of the E60, E61, that's where the pump will be located. But looking at the N52 engine, we have AC compressor, crankshaft pulley, tensioner, alternator, idle pulley, and power steering pump. We don't have water pump. So where it's located guys? Pretty simple. You don't have a mechanical water pump on your engine. You have electrical water pump, which is located in the bottom left corner of your engine. This one right here, and you have the wires coming in, big wire that actually activates the pump. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test it and how to manually activate the pump without even removing it. So check it out, how to activate, how to test BMW pump guys. We have it, and I will try to even put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. All that being said, okay, the pump is right there. It has 3 bolts. Practically, I don't know if it's possible to do it without removing the radiator fan and all that stuff. Some people do it, but you have to be really good at that engine and done that before, so you know where every bolt is located. That's why we'll be making the video guys, to show you all that in the very near future. We just ordered our replacement pump, it's coming very soon. It has only 3 bolts. This is your thermostat next to it. It's recommended to replace the thermostat and the pump at the same time. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out, where that pump is located in case you need to replace it. Complete videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and see you guys next time.